There is a special kind of peace that only comes after midnight. The world falls silent, the lights go out, and the only thing that remains is the road ahead. Some people call it loneliness. I call it freedom. In the city, everyone is fighting for your attention. Every sign, every screen, every person wants a piece of you. But out here, you are invisible. And there is a strange power in being nobody, just a ghost on two wheels, passing through the night. I used to think that speed was about getting somewhere fast. Now I see it's about making everything else stand still. The trees, the shadows, the noise in my head, it all fades away at 70 miles per hour. When you move fast enough, the past can't keep up. The mistakes you made yesterday, the worries about tomorrow, they all get caught in the wind behind you. You become a part of the present moment, sharp and focused. At night, the highway feels different. It's not just a strip of asphalt. It's a bridge between where you were and where you're going. In the dark, the destination doesn't matter. The only thing that's real is the hum of the engine and the cool air against your face. You start to see things differently. The forest isn't just trees anymore. It's a living, breathing wall of secrets. The road isn't just a path. It's a living entity, guiding you through the unknown. Sometimes the fog gets so thick you can't even see the lines on the pavement. You just have to trust that the road is still there. It's a lot like life, I guess. You don't need to see the whole path, just the part your light can reach. We spend so much time trying to predict the future, trying to see over the horizon. But maybe the point is to just keep your eyes on those next 50 yards. If you can handle those, you can handle anything the night throws at you. The moon is the only witness to this journey. It watches as the forest flows past like a slow, dark river. Out here, time doesn't move in minutes. It moves in miles. And with every mile, the city feels further and further away. You realize how small you are in the grand scheme of things. Just a speck of light in a vast, dark universe. And strangely, that realization doesn't scare me. It comforts me. People ask why I do this. Why spend the night on a bike, heading into the middle of nowhere? I don't have an answer for them. If you have to ask, you've probably never felt the cold air hitting your chest while the rest of the world is dreaming. They are safe in their beds, trapped in their routines. But I am awake. I am alive. I am seeing the world in a way they will never understand. Sometimes you don't need a map. You just need a full tank and a reason to keep moving. The road is always there, waiting for those brave enough to leave the lights behind. This is the first chapter of many, the beginning of a long journey into the heart of the night. Welcome to the highway. Welcome home.